time, we are going to talk about parallel structure with coordinate and paired conjunctions. What are they? Let's check it out. So first of all, we are going to talk about what is the main functions of conjunctions. So the main functions of conjunctions is to join together equal expressions. For example, the professor was knowledgeable but boring. So here the conjunctions is but. We call this one as coordinate conjunctions. And the things that is joined is knowledgeable and boring. The second sentence is the lecture was both informative and enjoyable. Here we have both and we call this one as paired conjunction. So what is the parallel structures with conjunctions? So first of all, let's analyze the sentences below. This is the first sentence. Yeah? The evening dress was beauty but expensive. And then the second one, they either want to play tennis or golf. Let's analyze. The evening dress was beauty but expensive. We have but as the coordinate conjunctions, and it joins beauty and expensive. Beauty is a noun, expensive an adjective. The second one, they either want to play tennis or golf. We have either and or as the paired conjunctions, and it joins want to play tennis and golf. Here, want to play tennis is a verb and golf is a noun. So the question is, are these two sentences correct? No. But why? Because they aren't parallel. So how to fix it? The correct sentence is this one. Okay, for the first sentence, the evening dress was beauty but expensive. Well, the evening dress is a subject. It needs an adjective to explain and describe this one. Okay, so we have to change beauty into beautiful. Why? Because beauty is a noun and beautiful is the adjective for beauty. Therefore, the correct sentence is the evening dress is beautiful but expensive. What about the second sentence? They either want to play tennis or golf. Either want to play tennis or golf. Either or is a paired conjunction. So if either is followed by verb 1, or must also be followed by verb 1. If either is followed by a noun, or must also be followed by a noun. So we can say they want to play either tennis or golf. Tennis is a noun, golf is a noun. Or they either want to play tennis or want to play golf. Want to play is a verb. After or, it must be also a verb. Want to play golf. First, coordinate conjunctions. What are the coordinate conjunctions? What belongs to coordinate conjunctions? So first, we put the same structure here, and then here is the coordinate conjunctions. The coordinate conjunctions is like and, but, or, and it must be followed with the same conjunctions. Or we have the same structure, comma, the same structure, comma, coordinate conjunctions, and same structure. What about paired conjunctions? Paired conjunction is just like both, either, neither, not only. The structure is put between the paired conjunctions. So both, the same structure with and, either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also. Then it is followed by the same structure. It means that if both followed by noun and must be followed only is followed by a verb, but also must be followed by a verb too. That conjunctions must be followed by parallel structures. For example, the lecture was both informative and enjoyable. Informative is adjectives, enjoyable is also adjectives. We have both and as a verb conjunction. Or he discussed the problems with the nurse and doctor. Nurse is a noun, doctor is also a noun, and we have coordinate conjunction and. Okay, that's all for this time topic. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. See you next time. Have a nice day.